Step inside a world of opulence with a stunning new listing in Newport, California. Priced at $89 million, this exceptional estate promises an unparalleled lifestyle. The residence boasts 5 bedrooms, 8 luxurious bathrooms, and covers an expansive 14,958 square feet. Designed by architect Jeff Sumick and built by Ryan Hill, the home harmoniously blends with its surroundings while remaining a unique interior showpiece. From its elevated position, enjoy mesmerizing ocean and coastline views that redefine panoramic landscapes. Within its grand interior, discover a seamless indoor-outdoor experience featuring elegant living spaces, an opulent primary suite, and entertainment sanctuaries like media and game rooms. Completing this masterpiece are multiple swimming pools, a vast car museum, and avant-garde amenities that evoke an atmosphere of indulgence and prestige. Luxuriate in Crystal Cove's finest creation, where luxury is both a daily experience and a timeless legacy.